Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about CBSE board exam is cancelled. On what basis CBSE will give marks to the students those who are appearing for or who were appeared for CBSE 2021. In this video we will see CBSE 10th 2021 marks versus 2020 marks. How the marks was given in 2020 and how the marks will be given in 2021. In this video we will give you a brief explanation on this topic. Before watching the video, I would like to tell you, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for the latest update. Let us watch the video. Marks in CBSE class 10th result 2021 will be calculated on the basis to be developed by the board. Important points from the official notification are: CBSE 10th result 2021 will be declared on the basis of objective criteria to be set by the board. Students not satisfied with their CBSE 10th result 2021 will be allowed for appearing for the exam to be conducted if conditions are in control. Next is, here are the objective criteria implies CBSE will give an assessment scheme consisting of some set of rules. This is yet to be developed by the board, and most probably the weightage of internal assessment in the new scheme will be very high. That means a very important point, the internal assessment of weightage will be very high. So we are expecting soon they will release the assessment scheme. In the official notification, CBSE also point out that students, those who are not happy with the result, they can write their exam if the conditions are good. Let us see how the marks were given in CBSE 2020. Last year, alternative assessment scheme used to calculate the marks in CBSE class 10. Here are points from the last year internal assessment scheme used by the board to calculate the marks in CBSE 2021. It might be helpful for many students and other people who are wondering on what basis CBSE will give mark. If a student has appeared for more than 3 exams, the average of 3 papers marks will be used as a scores for pending papers. For those students who appear in lesser papers, the average will be based on the 2 highest scoring subjects and allotted to the remaining paper. These were the scheme that were used by CBSE board for 2020, but 2021 we are expecting that the marks will be given, and they said the marks will be given on objective criteria. The objective criteria, if you define the word objective criteria, that means internal assessment. So we are expecting some rules to be given. If that format of marks will come, we will upload on our channel. Please subscribe to our channel, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.